Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video. Chapter 3. Our Shelter. All living things need a shelter to protect themselves from cold, heat, and rain. We live as a family in our homes. The family members rest and live together in the comfort of their home. The house should be kept clean. There should be plenty of light and air in the house. It should be well furnished with the necessary things like beds, cupboards, tables, chairs, and sofas. A. Kinds of houses. We can build different kinds of houses. 1. Tent. A tent means a house made of thick cotton-like canvas, poles, and cords. 2. Hut. A hut means a house made of mud and grass. The walls are made of mud and the roof is thatched with leaves or grass. 3. Chawl. Chawl consists of small houses built in a row. We find them in towns and cities. 4. Block. A block is a building with multiple stories which are divided into flats. 5. Skyscrapers. Skyscrapers are found in cities. They are 30 to 40-story buildings. 6. Bungalow. A bungalow is an independent building which has many rooms. It usually has a surrounding compound with garden, lawn, etc. Tents are used for temporary stay. Huts are small houses which are not very strong. Chawls, blocks, skyscrapers, and bungalows are big and permanent houses. To build permanent houses, we need stones, timber, bricks, tiles, sand, cement, and steel rods. B. From where do we get the building materials? 1. Bricks and tiles are made from clay. Then they are sent to the brick kiln to be baked. 2. Sand is brought from the sea, river, or canals. 3. Cement and steel rods are brought from factories. 4. We get timber from the trees. Doors and windows are made from timber. C. Who builds the house? 1. The architect draws the plan of the house. 2. The mason builds the walls of the house. 3. The carpenter makes the doors and the windows. 4. The blacksmith makes the iron frames, grills of the windows, and the latches of the doors. 5. The plumber fits the taps, the toilets, and the wash basins. 6. The electrician fits the lighting, fans, plugs, and switches. D. How should we keep our house? The house should be swept daily. It should be mopped well. The toilets and the bathrooms should be kept clean always. The house should look neat and tidy.